This is the new Toshiba Canvio Basics portable hard drive, and in fact this is the latest model that uses USB 3.2 Gen 1. And what that's going to do is give you the capacity and ease of use and the cost effectiveness of a portable spinning hard drive, but also give you improved speeds. Now this was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now on with the review. So this is a 2TB portable hard drive. It's the Toshiba Canvio Basics. It offers up simple plug and play use and also a 2-year limited warranty. Now using a traditional spinning hard drive rather than a solid state drive gives you the ability to have larger capacities. This one happens to be 2TB, but whilst keeping the cost down as well. These are ideal for archiving off files and making room on your laptop, for example, or making a backup on a regular schedule. And this particular one is a really nice case, very nice, very lightweight as well. We've got USB 3.2 Gen 1 technology in here, so slightly faster speeds than the older version of this, but not quite as fast as a solid state drive. But I'll be showing you a speed test on this very shortly. There's also a little LED light on the front here. It's a nice slimline case and really nice and affordable. That's the real big selling point on this. The fact that you can get 2TB of storage at such a great price is a really good thing. We also get a quick start guide. We also of course get a cable inside the box. This end is going to go into the hard drive and this end here is going to go into your computer. If you need to use this on a USB-C laptop, you're going to have to use your own adapter or hub. So let's get this connected and see how it performs. So here we go, we've currently got the Toshiba drive connected to my laptop and we're using Blackmagic Design's disk speed test software for this test, and we're going to click start, and the write speed is a really respectable 122, 23, around about 123, 124 megabytes per second. For a spinning hard disk, that is very good indeed, and that's because this is using the USB 3.2 Gen 1 connectivity. The read speed 136.6 megabytes per second, again a very good performance. And you'll see here that on the H.265 compatibility, the read and write speeds is fast enough for up to 8K DCI 60 frames per second footage. That is really impressive for a traditional spinning hard drive. Normally you would have had to invest in a solid state drive to be able to use this external drive for reading and writing up to 8K DCI footage. Very good indeed. So not only could you use this for archiving files onto to make more room on your laptop or for doing backups, but you could use this for editing videos on as well. I'm really impressed with that. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Toshiba Canvio Basics, the brand new model. I'll leave the model number down in the video description. I think it's a really good choice if you want a nice large capacity but portable hard drive that's very affordable. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links in the video description. Please do subscribe to the channel as well, and I'll see you in another video very soon.